Hello students, today I am going to tell you an interesting story. Once upon a time, there is a huge country in which the large number of people are lived. But they are not happy because they have no means to communicate their message to their friends, neighbors or relatives. So they are sad. Then a man is a brilliant one. He discovered a machine through which they can communicate, they can send their message to their neighbors or relatives or friends. Then a man sent a message to his friends about his son. That is, Ramlal is a good boy. Ramlal reads in class 7. Ramlal reads SGSK. Ramlal lives in Nuagam. Ramlal is also an honest student. The friend received this message and read this. But he get bored because Ramlal is a good boy. Ramlal reads in class 7. Ramlal reads SGSK. Ramlal lives in Nuagam. The word of Ramlal is repeatedly used. He is getting bored to read Ramlal, Ramlal, Ramlal. Though he sent a message to his friend, but his friend was not happy. So, that brilliant man thought about this problem and he also invented the word that instead of Ramlal it can be used. Then he rewrite this message in that way. Ramlal is a good boy. He reads in class 7. He reads in SGSK. He lives in Nuagam. He is also an honest student. Because Ramlal is a large number of letters of word. This message is in shortcut way. Ramlal is a good boy. He reads in class 7. In the second sentence, he is used instead of Ramlal. In third sentence, he is used in place of Ramlal. In fourth sentence, also he is used in place of Ramlal. Ramlal is a good boy. Ramlal is a name of a person. So, Ramlal, though it is a name of a person, then Ramlal is a naming word. Ramlal is a naming word, that means it is a noun. Though Ramlal indicates the name of a person, so it is a naming word, that means it is a noun. In second sentence, in place of noun, we can use he. He is the word which is used in place of Ramlal, but that means noun, though it is known as pronoun. It is known as pronoun. Let us see that today we are going to discuss about the topic pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Then we come to conclusion that pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun to avoid repetition. To avoid repetition. Let us see. Piyush is a good boy. He reads in class 7. In first sentence, Piyush is noun, though it is a name of a boy. In second sentence, he is used in place of Piyush. So it is pronoun. girl. Krishna is the name of a girl. It is a noun. And she sings well. In second sentence, she is used in place of Krishna. So it is pronoun. In third sentence, cow is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. In third sentence, cow is the name of animal, though it is a noun. It gives us milk. It is used in place of the noun cow. So it is a pronoun. In first sentence, Piyush is a good boy. Piyush is the name of a boy. That means it is a masculine gender. So it is a masculine gender. He is the masculine pronoun. The pronoun is used instead of a masculine noun, masculine gender. Krishna is the name of a girl, so it is the feminine gender. She is used instead of a feminine gender or a feminine noun. In third sentence, cow is a name of animal, so it is a neuter gender. Neuter gender, so it is used in place of cow. We use it, the pronoun it. So it is used in the place of neuter gender or neuter noun. What is pronoun? Pick out pronoun. Himanshu is a teacher. He loves his students like his son and daughter. We love our country. India is our motherland. Okay? Let us see these examples. Mr. Guru Prasad is an honest man. He is a doctor. His father is an engineer. Mrs. Sarada Mani is his mother. She lives in a city. Mr. Guru Prasad is an honest man. He is a doctor. Mr. Guru Prasad is an honest man. He is a man. That means he is a person. He is a person. He is a doctor. He is the pronoun. But this pronoun is used for a person. He is used for the person Mr. Guru Prasad. So, he is the personal pronoun. Second sentence. His father. Whose father? Mr. Guru Prasad's father. His father. He is also used for the person Mr. Guru Prasad. So, he is also a personal pronoun. Though it is used for a person, though it is used to indicate a person Guru Prasad, so it is a personal pronoun. In third, Mrs. Sarada Mani is his mother. His indicates whose mother? Mrs. Sarada Mani is whose mother? Mrs. Sarada Mani is Mr. Guru Prasad's mother. So, he is also a pronoun. Though it is used the person Mr. Guru Prasad, it is the personal pronoun. Then, she lives. Who lives? Mrs. Sarada Mani lives. Mrs. Sarada Mani lives in a city. So, she is used for the noun Sarada Mani. Sarada Mani is also a person. So, it is also a personal pronoun. The personal pronouns are divided into three parts. First person personal pronoun, second person personal pronoun, and third person personal pronoun. We know that first person is I, we. First person personal pronoun are I, mine, is I, we, our, us, ours, ourselves. Second person, you. Second person pronoun are your, yours, yourself, and its plural form is yourselves. And the third person personal pronoun are he, she, they. He, the pronoun are his, him, himself. She, her, hers, herself. They, them, themselves, their, theirs. It is the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are divided in three parts. First person personal pronoun, second person personal pronoun, and third person personal pronoun. These are the personal pronouns. These pronouns are used instead of the persons. It may be the feminine gender or it may be the masculine gender, but it must be the persons. In third case, the neuter gender. In previous class, we taught that the neuter gender pronoun is it. Not only the neuter gender pronoun is it, it also its and itself. We use them in different sentences. Today, your home task is what is personal pronoun? Question number 2, how many kinds of personal pronoun? Question number 3, what are they? You write these questions and send me.